Here's a quick video of this Climatrol air conditioner that I have in my garage. I'm about to swap this out with a modern 8000 BTU air conditioner just because this one's very noisy. Something just fell. But anyway, I wanted to make a video of it before I took it out, so I made a video of this when I got this, and I put this in here just to kind of help because and other stuff, but yeah. So we'll turn this on. I think this is high fan. Yeah, low fan. And then oops. Found the knob right here. It's a bit too cold and the grill kind of gets in the way with turning it on constant run because this little nub is here. So yeah, we'll try to get this to work now. So should be all the way off. And then you should pull out. We'll actually turn off the heater first because I don't want to trip the breaker. Here we go. Pull out. This thing is really noisy. It's a match sheet of rotary, but the compressor mounts are shot. The 1975 model, if anyone cares. Works really well though, I will say that. And the grill's about to fall off. It's honestly quieter without the grill on. This unit's just way too noisy. Works pretty good though, I will say that. The logo on the back looks really epic. It's hard to get to it. Vasco fan motor.